of March 1. This year, the region has seen 6 approved cases and 6 possible cough cases. First of all are in people who are not IMM. Otherwise, public health known as cough reported 12 cases à March 1. 6 of these cases are confirmed and 6 them are likely. Most of the cases occurred in individuals who have been vaccinated or not IMMMMUNIZED. This was a sharp increase from last year, which in November saw only a cough. Public Health Communication expert Danny Williamson said, Ontario increases every 2 à 5 years and 10 to 6 cases under a circulation circulated population, said. Williamson said they were watching the situation and that they had an increased operation in our region, and it was neighboring health units. We should always be careful against infectious diseases because of their potential to spread to others. Babies under the first year are particularly at risk because they are very young to complete their vaccine series. The initial symptoms are similar to cold have nasal discharge, juicy eyes, sore throat and a slightly raised temperature. The intense cough typically starts weeks later can lead to vomiting at the end of each cough section. It spreads from person to person through respiratory droplets or contaminated products. It can be treated with an antibiotic. But Williamson said that vaccination is the best protection against vaccines are estimated to be approximately 85% effective after the primary vaccine series of 2, 4, 6 and 18 months. However, a October, Public Health was estimated that approximately 34% of the 7-year-olds and 40% the 17-year-olds did not receive pertussis vaccine. This is largely partially because the vaccine programs are left behind because of their pandemia. Since then, Public Health has increased vaccine clinics in schools try to return the number of vaccinated students pre-pandemic levels. In addition, Williamson said that public health screens attached importance to checking whether the vaccine record children are up to date for all children attending schools and gave information about their parents, maturity or delayed vaccine. Here you can learn more about pertussis.